Hi, my name is Karen Yancey, and I'm going to show you how to set up a website using the new Google Sites application found in the Google Suite. As you can see from my webpage, I am a teacher that uses the Google Suite of applications in my classroom. Google Sites can be used by professionals as well as hobbyists. Google Sites has a classic version and a new version. I prefer the new Google Sites application as it is more user-friendly. I will show you how to create and edit a new site, and I will walk you through all the different tools. So let's get started. The first thing you have to have is a Google email account. Then type in New Google Sites in the search engine. It will take you to the landing page for your Google account, which looks like this. Next, click on the red plus button at the bottom of the page. Next, title your home page, title your site, and title your document. Now you can select a theme with different colors by going to Themes on the sidebar. You can choose different colors, and you can choose different themes. The next step is to add a text box to the home page. Go to Insert and click on Text Box. Now you can add an image by going to Insert and clicking on Images. Let's go to Search. I will type in my search term. It will show images that are labeled for commercial use modification. Select on an image, press Select, and there it is. You can move an element on the page by clicking on the grid to the left of the module and dragging it where you want it. You can also move an image by clicking on it directly and moving it. You can delete an item by selecting it and clicking on the trash can in the pop-up menu. For text boxes, you have editing options in the pop-up menu. For images, you have cropping options. Now let's add a page to the home page. Go to the Pages menu on the side toolbar and click on Home. Go down to the blue plus at the bottom and click on that. Label your page. Press Done. For people who want to make an instructional site or who are video bloggers, you can embed a YouTube video by going to the Insert menu. You can search YouTube or select a video that you uploaded. To search YouTube, type in the name of the video. And then select the video from the list provided. If you want people to know where you are located, you can insert a map. Select Maps under Google Embeds. Enter location. And press Select. You can upload documents such as text documents, slide presentations, spreadsheets, forms, and charts from your Google Drive. Go to the Insert menu, select From Drive. It will show the documents in your drive. Click on one and press Insert. To review quickly, to add an element like a text box, click on the element of the page you want it to be under and select Text Box from the Insert menu. Elements can be edited by using the pop-up toolbars. You can delete them by clicking on the trash can. You can move an element by clicking on the grid to the left and moving it on the page, or by clicking on the image itself and moving it into a different module. You can add pages by going to the Pages menu and selecting the plus at the bottom. The power of Google Sites is not just that it creates a professional-looking website, but that it also connects to the capabilities of Google Image Search, YouTube, Google Maps, and other applications in the Google Suite. I'd like to hear how you intend to use your new website, so complete the survey at the end of this video. This is Karen Yancey signing off.